welcome to Technique Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you tips and tricks in creating a content for TikTok. Let's begin. Do you want your brand to become a TikTok sensation? When it comes to best TikTok tips and tricks, we've got you covered. So here are our top 5 ways to keep your next video a viral hit. Number 1. Jump on current trends. The number 1 most common TikTok advice we can give is to make sure you're leveraging whatever is trending at the time. Make the most of viral sounds, memes, challenges, and hashtags. Utilizing the most powerful trends on TikTok as the basis of your creative content production can really help set your brand apart. A great example of this, done well, is Tiger King, a popular Netflix docu-series on bizarre cat breeding industry in America. The series also explores the feud between Joe Exotic, a zoo owner, and Carol Baskin, an animal rights activist. This story takes a dark turn in more ways than one, with Joe ending up in prison and Carol suspected of feeding her husband to a tiger by the whole of social media. We found out that this series managed to garner billions of views and hundreds and thousands of user-generated content. The success of this trend is predominantly due to the leveraging of a popular song on the platform. The dance involves the user dressing up as Joe Exotic, the arch-enemy of Carol Baskin, and dancing to a remix of Megan Thee Stallion's song Savage, a song that was already going viral and that millions of users created videos before. Number 2. Boost your account authority. When it comes to actionable TikTok tips and tricks, this might sound vague, but it's actually quite simple. A video is much more likely to go viral if it comes from a trusted, quality account. This means consistent, regular uploading over time, demonstrating your brand account's trustworthiness on the platform. Make sure to limit the number of times you remove videos, as this tells the algorithm you have a tendency towards releasing poor quality content. Another way to do this is by sticking to one of our most important rules for brands on the platform. Do not repurpose content. TikTok's algorithm tends to flag low-quality content, which repurposed content tends to be. Besides this, content that works on one platform doesn't mean it's going to work on the other. TikTok users want to consume content that is native and organic to the platform. Number 3. Follow up on your content, and fast. If you have a video that starts to gain some traction, it's essential that you follow up, and fast. Repost, respond, and create additional videos promptly. Engagement speed and variety is important on TikTok, so waves of responses will help push a video further. Follow up quickly with a new video content to maximize your reach and keep building that authority. A great way to boost engaging pieces of content is by using influencers. Influencers have their own fan communities on the app, so by enlisting the help of influencers to jump on your challenge or video idea using a hashtag can mean accessing hundreds of thousands of engaged users on the app. Number 4. Keep video length short and snappy. Your videos should ideally be 10 to 15 seconds in total, in order to maximize watch time and completion rates. These metrics really matter on TikTok and will show the algorithm that your video is worth sharing to a larger number of users. Number 5. Use cross-promotion for extra engagement. If your business already has an existing fan base on another platform, use this to your advantage. Share your new videos to those other platforms and direct traffic back to your TikTok account. If you don't have an existing, sizable following, this can still be achieved with the help of influencers, something we know is very powerful in pushing your content to viral heights. And there you have it. With these TikTok tips and tricks, your next video is sure to be a hit. But remember, all the TikTok tips and tricks in the world cannot replace unique and creative content. Lead with your personality. Think outside the box. And then leverage these tips to ensure your content has the best chance to hit huge numbers. So, have you tried TikTok? Get started now and share your thoughts on the comments down below. And before this video ends, Did you know that you can run live, on-demand scheduled webinar replays with hands-free automation and the breakthrough sales-getting features with no hosting required, and has dozens of ready templates and engagement and sales booster? Introducing Webinar Loop 2 by Technic Force. Webinar Loop makes creating high-converting profitable webinars a piece of cake. It has never-seen-before engagement and sales-boosting technology, where you have full-screen lifelike experience, call to actions with clickable buttons, info boxes for engaging tidbits, and live polls on webinars. You have surveys on webinars too, and infographics and ads on webinars. So, what are you waiting for? Try Webinar Loop now. Just go to getwebinarloop.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.